Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make oven baked moi moi in few minutes. Here on my countertop is the beautiful result. The moi moi tasted so delicious. It was soft and moist, not mushy. If you want to know how I came up with this beautiful result on my countertop, just sit back, go nowhere. Let's prepare it together. The recipes we have for the oven baked moi moi are set on the countertop. We got here our peel beans. Hope we all know the easy way to peel our beans. Check out my channel. There are a lot of videos on how to peel beans easily. Alright, I got here vegetable oil. This is sunflower. You can feel free to use any brand of your choice. Alright, in here I got onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, a slice of fresh tomato, and sweet red bell pepper. Here I got some eggs, crayfish, salt, seasoning cube, and curry powder. You can add other spices or seasoning depending on your choice, but to be frank with you, moi moi does not require much seasoning because beans on its own have a natural nice taste. Even if you add only vegetable oil and salt, it will come out nice and delicious. For the egg and peel beans, I will be boiling the egg off the camera to save time, but for the beans, I will be blending it right here in the camera so that my Virtuous family will also see how I mixed up my recipe and blending them together. Alright, now let's blend the peel beans with all the needful recipes. I will be adding them bit by bit, one after the other. Just watch my hand to see how I'll be adding my recipes, because I will blend everything together so that they will be well incorporated. I will be blending with warm water. Do take note of that and make sure your water, you add it little by little. Don't pour the water above the beans so that the batter will not be too runny. Please note that it is far more better to add more water after blending the beans than to overpour water when or while blending the beans. This is the blended beans and this is how it turns out. Can you see how smooth that looks? This is the right way the beans supposed to look after blending. I will be adding other of my recipes, which is salt to taste and crayfish. After adding them, I will blend to combine. Please be very careful of salt when making anything that involves beans. Alright? These are the boiled eggs, sliced with an egg slicer, just like so. If you have one, why you don't have one, please use your kitchen knife to achieve the same process. Or better still, throw them in like that. There is nothing wrong about that. Alright, these are the sliced egg and this is exactly the size I'm going for. You can go for lesser than this or bigger than this. There is no problem about that. Here comes the baking pan I will be using. I will wrap the inside with a foil, prime or coat the foil with a vegetable oil just like so to avoid sticking. You can as well use butter to prime or coat the foil. There is no problem about that. Alright, you can as well pour the butter directly to the pan. There is no problem about that, but for today I have a lot of things I want to bake with the baking pan, so that is the only reason why I am using the foil to cover the pan, so that immediately after baking I will pull it out. Next, I will pour the blended beans inside my bowl to be sure of the consistency. Remember, I've added all the needful ingredients before now. And I will be rinsing my blender with a lukewarm water. Please be very careful with water on this stage, because we still need more liquid, which is our vegetable oil. After adding the vegetable oil, please do stir to combine, and we are rightly done with this consistency. Transfer the batter to the baking pan and carefully arrange the sliced egg on top of the batter just like so. Afterward, cover the batter with a foil so that the foil will trap the heat right inside the pan to avoid the moi moi drying out after making. Covering the pan with a foil will make or help the moi moi with some softness and moist after making it. Alright? Transfer the batter to a preheated oven. As you can see, I pour some water on the oven tray to prevent it from drying out as well, and bake for 45 minutes. But in between the 45 minutes, we will top water on the oven tray if it dries out. This is 20 minutes later. Let's refill some water on the oven tray. After that, cover the oven and keep baking until the moi moi is fully baked. This is 45 minutes later. Let's check the moi moi for the very last time. Please note this. Use your toothpick just like so. If you notice some fresh butter on the toothpick, you should know that the moi moi is not yet cooked or baked. But when your toothpick comes out freely like so without any butter sticking on it, please, that means that your moi moi is fully baked. Once the moi moi is baked, remove from the oven and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, cut it in your desired shape and enjoy. On this junction, Virtuous family, our oven baked moi moi is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, this is the result of it all. This moi moi was very soft and moist. You can use it to eat white or jollof rice. It is healthy breakfast with either pap or custard. You can eat it with salad. You can as well eat it like that, or even eat it with soap gari. In fact, moi moi is all-round recipes. It goes with multiple recipes. Try this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.